on my way to Reddish Knob Road here in Virginia, and I don't know the name of this road, so we'll just call it the Quail of the Dragon. We're out on the Quail of the Dragon here. We're going to a scenic overlook. And missing from in front of us are the Steves and Matt. You guys, I tell you, you just can't wait and take it down a notch, can you? You guys, you silly little silly billies. If you liked my video, if you'd give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. So again, this is a video in my series from going on vacation in Staunton, Virginia with a bunch of friends. I came down with Ken and the Hot Rod. Wayne and Steve Sr. came from Kentucky with Matt, and Steve came from North Carolina, just outside the Raleigh area. So to say that we're all coming from different directions, and we all got rained on. I'm kind of hoping there's a quicker way out of here. As nice as a ride as this is, yeah, no. So that's the one good thing about this motor. You don't need to downshift. I can't tell you how many times I've started in second gear and not realized it, and you don't even know, because it's got power in its plumes. Yeah, they're probably there already. They did the overlook, and now they're putting their helmets on to leave. I'm not in a hurry to go anywhere. I'm on vacation. Oh, here they are. The Spandex Spartans. I guess we're going up here, I'm guessing. What's up, baby girl? Oh, this road reminds me of High Point. Oh, Ken is going to be hating life. Is more than one vehicle supposed to... Oh, yeah, this... Alright, let's see what's going on here. I'll bring you back when we turn around or something. I'm hoping this battery holds out, because I didn't film that long, but yeah, friggin' it's almost dead. Looks like it's 15%. I think we're about a mile and a half away from this red Spur scenic overlook. I can't tell you because my dumb ass put my phone in my pocket, didn't put it back on the handlebars. I'm not a fan of... I'm hoping there is another road out, because I do not want to be coming down this. Yeah, I really hope this is not two-way. Thank you, Cardo, for autoplay. Appreciate that. Wondering where Ken is. I'm gonna have to turn around and go back and get him in a sec. Man, I am not a fan of this. guessing the view is going to be something else. Hoping it's like Hawk's Nest or Storm King Highway good. This seems to be an ongoing theme with us. Every time we go up a hill, it gets cloudy. Yeah, let's hope there's another way out of here. I'm hoping we're there soon.
Possible? Wow, we're up there. Got high today. Oh. Right where I'm staying is 4,400. That's pretty cool.
And we're making our way back down. Battery crapped out on the way up the mountain. I'll have to order another battery. I have two. Just enjoying the twisties on the way out from the scenic overlook. And if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. And I hope you'll come back to watch the next video.